The courtroom was silent, except for the shuffling of papers and the creak of wooden benches. A 17-year-old boy named Ethan Moore, dressed in an oversized suit borrowed from his uncle, stood nervously before the bench. The judge, Harold Benton, peered over his glasses and smirked. "You think you can represent yourself, son? This isn't a school debate." The people in the gallery chuckled quietly. Keithan's face turned red, but he held his ground. He wasn't here to show off. He was here because his single mother couldn't afford a lawyer, and their landlord was trying to evict them illegally. Judge Benton sighed dramatically. "All right then, Mr. Moore, impress us. Let's see what kind of law school they teach in high school." But when Ethan began speaking, the entire courtroom leaned in. He cited tenant protection laws, referenced cases by name, and presented clear evidence showing the landlord's pattern of harassment. Even the opposing attorney stopped smirking. Judge Benton's grin faded as Ethan confidently flipped through legal documents, his voice calm but firm. Then came the moment no one expected. From the back row, a woman stood up, Judge Benton's own daughter, Rebecca Benton, one of the state's top civil rights lawyers. "Dad," she said firmly, "he's right. The landlord violated at least 3 housing statutes." Gasps filled the room. The judge froze, realizing his daughter had been watching the entire hearing. His mocking tone vanished. After a long pause, he cleared his throat and ruled in Ethan's favor, even apologizing for his earlier comments. When the hearing ended, Rebecca walked up to Ethan and shook his hand. "You did better than most attorneys I've met," she said with a smile. Ethan nodded, tears in his eyes. As Judge Benton watched them leave, the courtroom fell silent again, but this time not out of mockery. It had just learned a lesson that every person in power should remember. Never judge someone by what they wear or where they come from, because greatness can rise from anywhere.